Mark got himself stuck, and I'm gonna have to go get him out. I'm gonna go play in the snow. Snowfall started. We got about 4 inches last night. Going out in the snow here, we're going to see if we can get up to one of my favorite spots, Lookout Mountain. There's a little bit of a dirt road that's probably full of snow right now going up there, but we're in the 07 XT. Behind me is Mechanic Mark in his H6 wagon. So we're going to see how far we can make it up this in our Subarus. We got plenty of rescue equipment between the two of us. Both of us have good tires on our cars, so not too worried about that. Got some two-way radios with us in case we lose cell service. Actually, ham radios that I can broadcast out on many bands. Man, that is a nice view. Ooh, that's some beauty. Beautiful with all the snow on it. People digging out their cars. Out of the driveway. Hopefully all these cars will go away. I wouldn't take a Toyota Camry on a dirt road. I mean, there is houses back here, but not many people live back here. This just goes, it ends in a dirt road. Campgrounds back here, it's all forest land. Interesting. Oh well, we're putting along. Probably doing around 25, 30 miles an hour up this mountain. Good, we got people turning off. Good luck, Camry. I think I was supposed to turn back there. Oh well, we'll see what happens. Hey, was I supposed to turn back there?
Yes.
Alright, let me find a place to turn around. Alright, after about a 2-mile detour, we finally got back to our road here. What's going on here, guys? Alright, we're gonna see what we can do down here. Plowing through on these BF Goodrich Comp 2s. They're not snow tires, but damn, they perform well. Another Subi out here. Looks like Mark got stuck. Oh no. You get it. You got it. Having fun yet?
Yes, yes.
This car just keeps pulling up this hill. Woo. That was crazy. Make sure Mark got up here. Do you guys know about how far we got left to go?
I probably wouldn't go all the way up because there's a big cliff on the other side. Still quite a ways away.
We got a razor coming up.
Yep.
I just want to go down here.
Just until you probably get to that cliff part, because he's not going to go up that because it's too dangerous.
Sounds good.
I'd want to know if you know the other way too.
Which way?
Copper basin on the other side.
Yeah, I know how to do that, but parts of that are not Subaru friendly.
Mark says that's this side mainly.
Yeah, I know the Copper Basin route, and there's a couple that lead out towards White Spar, but I don't really know any that are going to be probably passable for us right now, except for this and maybe a little bit of Copper Basin before it gets too bad.
Yeah, he's fine as long as we're not going over that closest spot.
Oh yeah, where the big drop-off is right before you get to the lookout?
Yeah, but he says he's not doing that stuff.
I don't blame him. I wouldn't do it either. Let's find a good spot to turn around.
Okay, he's says he wants pictures.
Sounds good. Come up here in the trees. So Mark looks like he got stuck. There was a SUV that passed us, and he went a little over too far, and looks like he got himself stuck. I might have to go extract him. We'll see what happens. All right, so Mark got himself stuck, and I'm gonna have to go get him out. So we're gonna go up there and get him. All right. Let's see where he's at. Oh yeah, he's in a ditch, all right. Oh, dude. You in there. You in there, Mark. All right, so I'm gonna go assist him in getting out. All right, so we got Mark out. Got some thumbs up by a guy in a lifted diesel truck. He was gracious and stopped and made sure that we were okay and pulled him out with the XT here and got a thumbs up and a attaboy, so we're gonna continue back on the trail. All right, continuing back on the trail. So we stopped real quick and we took some pictures, and that's all where he got stuck right there. Woo. Man, he was in it deep. But that's why we got recovery equipment. Guys and gals, if you ever go out four-wheeling, don't ever forget your recovery equipment. Doesn't matter if you have the best equipment in the world. Always make sure that you, especially with weather like this, you travel with somebody and you make sure you have proper equipment with you, and make sure you also have food and water and blankets so you can keep warm in case you get stuck. But oh damn. But yeah, make sure you guys have food and water and blankets in case you get stuck and you can't get out. Make sure you got proper tow straps and chains, tire chains if you got them, if you're going in snow. But yeah, this has been a fun trip so far. Traffic ain't too bad on the road. Every once in a while, we'll get a car going by or a Razor side by side, something like that. And then, you know, take your time, do it slow. You know, we're putting along about 5-10 miles an hour in some of these areas here so we don't get stuck. And yeah, she's doing good. Driving in about 6 inches of snow here. Again, these tires aren't snow, they're not deep snow rated. They're snow rated, but not deep snow rated like you know, some cross climates or dedicated snow tires are. But I mean, they do okay. They do all right. Couldn't be more happy with how they are, how they perform. I got it, boo.
Did you just learn how to drive that this morning?
No, I got in that little divot and it just went sideways and I couldn't recover from it without going into the trees.
That's stalling it, he said.
All right, there we go. We made it through, and yeah, we made it through all the way, and only got stuck once. Well, Mark got stuck, but in his defense, it was pretty deep. It was probably about 8 inches deep that he got stuck in, and it just sent him right off into the ditch that was on the side of the road, and he just couldn't recover from it. So just hooked him up with our recovery rope and pulled him backwards and got him straight out, and on we went.
Did you like that guy's parking job with that Explorer?
Yeah, people are parking like jerks on this road. That's why I'm not flying through here. Hopefully we have a couple more of these few events, and she's loving it. She gets to see all the snow in the mountains, and she got to play in the snow for a little bit. So we'll be back with some more adventures, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so this way you can see the Baja build. Hopefully we can get that one done and have another snow event. This way we can take the Baja out four-wheeling, because we're gonna lift that one, put it on 2-inch lift, and we'll be at Subi Wars here in Arizona in March, so hopefully we'll have the Baja there. Probably gonna have the SVX project there, and also have the probably have this, or probably one of Mechanic Mark's projects over at Subi Wars. So if you guys are in Arizona, make sure you check us out. It's in Prescott Valley, Arizona. SubiWars.com, SUBI Wars, WARS.com, and we'll see you soon.